Morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your teacher Miss Khushbu Ali. Now today onwards what we are going to do, we are going to cover the exercises of the chapter that we have studied in the previous online classes. Yes, we have to go through the concept that we have studied earlier and have to solve the exercise. Let us start with our today's exercise. Our today's exercise is the recap exercise of chapter number 1, that is known as large numbers. However, I am going to explain the concept and do the each and every question in my video, but I will leave few questions for you. That questions you have to cover as the part of your homework for your practice. Okay, so let's start with our today's session. Have a look.
So if we talk about the recap exercises are usually meant for the revision of the concept that you have studied in your previous class. Like you are in class 5th, so your recap exercise is on the basis of the class 4 concepts. So let's start with our recap exercise questions. The question number 1 states that write the expanded form of the given numbers. Here what you have to do, you have to write them in expanded form. It means you have to write them in form of their place value sum. Okay, so the first part is 203,595. So if we write them in expanded form, it can be written as 2 lakh plus 3000 plus 500 plus 90 plus 5. Second question is 499,725, that is 4,99,725. So let's start writing it in form of expanded form. First of all, just like 4 lakh plus 90,000 plus 9,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 5. So this was the expanded form of 499,725. Third and fourth question is meant for your homework, which is written as 546,254, that is 5,46,254, and the fourth is 7,26,462. So solve this question in form of your homework. Moving on to the question number 2. Question number 2 states that write the following in standard form. It is opposite as that of expanded form. So first part is 6,23,040. So you have to write it in numbers. So 6 lakh can be written as 6, 23,000 can be written as 23, and 40. Since 100 place is missing here, so we just write 0 on place of 100 and write down 40. So it is written as 623,040. Second part states that 9,42,920. So 9, 42, 920 will be its answer, because 9 lakh can be written as 9, 42,000 can be written as 42, 920 can be written as 920. Third part states that the digits are 3,0,0,0 plus 7,0,0,0 plus 6,0,0 plus 9. So 30,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 9. So it can be written in form of standard form as 37609. So this is the standard form. Now question 4, 5 and 6 are meant for your homework. Fourth question is 8,0,0,0, that is 80,000 plus 7. Fifth is 80,016. Sixth is 2,53,501. So you just write them in the standard form as I have done in the previous question. Now the question number 3 states that you have to write the given numbers in words, like in form of spelling. So the first part is 658157. So if you count the place value, you just found that the 6 is on lakhs place. So you just write 6 lakh, again 58 comes in the thousand place. So just write it as 58,000 and 157 as 157. So by combining, we just say that it is written as 6,58,157. Moving on to the second part. Second part has 79246. So 79 is in the thousands place. So you just write 79 as 79,000, and 246 is in the hundred, ones and tens place. So you just write it as 79,246. Third part is 86954. It is meant for your homework, and fourth part is 88888. It is again meant for your homework. Now the question number 4 states that compare the given numbers using the sign of greater, smaller or equal to. First part is 12096 and 12906. For this, what you have to do, you have to compare each and every digit. Now the first two digit, that is 1000 place digit, is same, so need not to compare them. Moving on to the 100 place digit, one has 0 in it whereas other has 9 in it. Obviously 9 is greater than 0, so the second part, that is right hand part, 12906 will be greater than 12096. Second question is 21989 and 21899, that is 21989 and 21899. So if we compare the digits, we will find that 21989 will be greater than that of 21899. Moving on to the third part has 25490 and 25940. So if we compare them, we found that 25,490 will be less than 25,940. So 25940 will be greater. The next part is 14825 plus 5 and 14830 minus 5. So if we add 5 to 14,825, we will get the answer as 14,830. However, if we subtract 5 from 14,830, we get the answer as 14,825. Therefore, the digits on the left hand side will be greater. The next is 21099 minus 9 and 21090. So 21099, if we subtract 9 from it, we found that the digit will comes out to be the same, that is 21,090. So we will just put an equal sign here. Sixth part states that 43247 plus 13 or 43237 minus 13. So if we add 13 to 43,247, we get the answer as 43,260. However, if we subtract 13 from 43,237, we get the answer as 43,224. So if we compare both, we will find that 43,260 will be greater. Moving on to the question number 5, what we have to do here? We have to arrange the digits in ascending order. Ascending means writing the digits in smaller to bigger form. So the question is 672345, 4025, 3187 and 914520. If we compare them in form of number of digits, we found that the smallest digit here is 3187 and the next bigger digit is 4025. However, if we compare the rest of the two digits, we found that 672345 is smaller in compared to that of 914520. So after arranging them in ascending order, we get the answer as 3187, which is the smallest 4-digit number. After that 4025, which is the next bigger 4-digit number. After that 672345, which is the next 6-digit number, and after that 914520, which will be the greatest number here. The question number 2 and 3 given here are meant for doing the homework. So you just arrange them in the ascending order. Moving them to the question number 6, you have to arrange the digits in descending order. Descending means you have to arrange them in form of bigger to smaller. So let's see the question. First is 2085, 5802, 8250 and 2805. So here the greatest digit, if we compare the first digit, we found that 8250 will be greater. So just write then 8250. Moving on to the next digit, that will be 5802. Moving on to the next one, that will be 2805 and the last one will be 2085. So arrange them properly and write them as 8250, 5802, 2805 and 2085. The part number 2 and 3 are meant for the homework of your descending order. So you can easily do it. Now the question number 7 is write true or false. You have to read the statement and have to decide whether it is written here is true or false. So the first part states that the place value of 7 in 763451 is 600. This statement is definitely false because if we want to find out the place value of 7, it will always start with 7 and they have written here as 600, which is wrong. Second part states that the predecessor of the smallest 6-digit number is 99999. First of all, you just know that which is the smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. So if we talk about the predecessor, it will be calculated by subtracting 1 from it. So if we subtract 1 from 1 lakh, we found the answer as 99,999. So it is the predecessor of smallest 6-digit number. So this statement is true. Moving on to the part C. Part C states that the number 89621 has 9 hundreds, 8 10,000, 2 tens, 6,000 and 1 1. Again the statement is false because the number doesn't have 9 hundreds. It has 6 on 100 place whereas 9 is on 1000 place. So obviously first digit is wrong. There is no need to move on further to the second and third digit. So you just write false by looking at the first statement only. The D question states that the face value of 0 in 560322 is 0. This statement is true because the face value or the place value of 0 is always 0 whatever the place it has. E part states that 871203 will be greater than 729049. So if we read out, we can read it as 8,71,203 whereas the second digit as 7,29,049. So definitely 8,71,203 will be greater. Moving on to the last part of true or false, it states that the smallest 6-digit number using 2, 5, 8, 0, 1 and 4 is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. This statement is false because whenever we have to form the 6-digit number or 7-digit number or any smallest number, we cannot start the number with 0. If we form the smallest number from this digit, it will be 1, 0, 2, 4, 5, 8, which will be correct. However, here it is given as 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. So you can say that this statement is false. So this was the recap exercise that we have to do. Now I have done all the questions and have given some question at your homework. What you have to do, you have to do these questions in your homework and send us through the email. Our email ID is vbbshakarpuronlineclasses@gmail.com. However, if you have any query, you can also ask the question through the same email ID. What you have to do, you just have to write your name, your class, your subject and give us a mail. So I think all the concept of recap exercise is clear to you. Now in the next session, what we are going to do, we are going to do the exercise number 1.1 through the video. Okay, so this was all for today. Now it's your time to do the practice and do the homework thoroughly. Till then, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye.